Hi, this is Alan Moore, Certified Financial Planner and founder of Serenity Financial Consulting. Thanks for joining me. I want you to imagine that it's one evening late and you're sitting on your couch with your significant other. You hear a loud pop from the back of the house. You turn to see what it is, and the entire back wall of your home is engulfed in flames. You rush, you get out of the house, and you're standing in the street, you turn around, and the entire home is on fire. You made it out without your shoes, cell phone, car keys. You made it out with nothing from inside your home. Now this may seem like an extreme story, but this actually happened to my brother-in-law earlier this year. The home that they were renting burned to the ground, and they were standing in the street without anything from inside their home. They didn't even have time to grab shoes. So they were lucky to be alive, but it didn't take long for the reality of their situation to set in. They had lost everything. Now, most renters assume that in their situation, the landlord's homeowners insurance policy would cover the cost of replacing their things. Might even help cover the cost of the time and energy and cost that they're going to incur to get a new home. This is an incorrect assumption. It can be very dangerous to your finances. Typically, a landlord's insurance is going to cover the physical structure, the home itself, the landlord's personal property such as appliances, and loss of rent in the event that the home burns down. It does not cover renter's personal property or the cost that the renter is going to incur. It takes a renter's insurance policy to cover that. Now, renter's insurance is incredibly cheap. Now, the cost depends on where you live and how much personal property that you have that you want to cover, but for a typical renter, it may only cost $20 a month or less. Now, the first response I typically get from renters is, but I don't have enough stuff to make it worthwhile to get renter's insurance. I want you to think about everything inside your home. How much would it cost you to go out and buy new furniture, new electronics, new kitchenware, new clothes, new shoes? How much would it cost to replace everything? $10,000 to $20,000 is probably an easy starting point, and it could very well go higher than that. Now, the next step is, okay, you've made the decision to get homeowner or renter's insurance. What do? I'd like to have my clients walk through their home, and they can use their cell phone to take a video. Make a video of everything in your home that you would want the insurance company to replace. You literally can just walk through, talk about what is in the home. You know, this is my TV, this is my computer, and that type of thing. Store the video somewhere on the internet or in the cloud so that if your cell phone doesn't make it out with you, you still have access to that video to send to the insurance company. So what do you think? Do you rent but don't have renter's insurance? Is there a reason why you haven't gotten it? Have I persuaded you to possibly apply and try and get some? What do you think? Share in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me.